sweet. Hot cross buns, golden tops, fluffy dough. Hot cross buns for kids, let's go. Warm and yummy, warm and yummy. Tummy's happy, yum yum yummy. In the oven, watch them rise. Hot cross buns, a tasty surprise. Golden brown done, golden brown. Fresh and hot, round and round. Sprinkle sugar, sprinkle spice. Hot cross buns, so very nice. Soft and fluffy, soft and fluffy. Fill our tummies, yum, so puffy. With a cross across the top. Hot cross buns, they never stop. Baked with love, baked with love. From the oven, puffs above. Warm and tasty, bite and munch. Hot cross buns, for lunch, for lunch, for lunch. Every bite, every bite. Soft and chewy, pure delight. Hot cross buns in a row. Hot cross buns.